Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any other person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. It was a warm afternoon. A small 2 years old boy was busy in the passing the things to his mama, Min Jimin, to rearrange their living room. They both had no work, so thought to give their living room a new look. Jimin was unboxing new products which he ordered for their living room. Cookie pointed his tiny finger on the big photo frame. Mama, open fast! Jimin, no Cookie. We will unbox photo frames later. First, we will arrange other things. Cookie, no! First, big photo, please! Pick the big photo frame. Jimin, Ash, this boy, it's bigger than you. Give it to me. Luke took the photo frame from his hand. You are as stubborn as me. I have created a little version of myself who is more stubborn than me. Cookie gave Jimin scissors. Cut fast, Mama. Jimin took the scissors from his hand. Yeah, why not? And bring other photo frames too. We will first hang these photo frames now. Cookie, okay. Cookie happily brought all the small and big photo frames. Jimin was carefully unboxing them, but Cookie was eager to see the photo frames. Jimin hung the big photo frame in the middle of their living room's wall. In that, Jimin was with his mafia husband Min Yoongi. Cookie looked at the photo frame. Da. Jimin, you little dada's spoon. You recognized your dada, but not Mama. Mama is also in the frame. Cookie happily started jumping. Da. Cookie, wait, dada, come fast. Jimin, he will come out from the photo frame directly. Cookie, yes, dada, come, Cookie, fast. Jimin looked at the photo frame. Yoongi, see how much excited our baby to meet you again. Touched Yoongi's face. I never ever imagined in my wildest dream that I will do elope wedding with a mafia. Everyone tried to stop me by saying don't marry a mafia. Mafias aren't loyal and trustworthy. They are opportunists and always looking for a good opportunity. But I didn't listen to them. I knew it. My Yoongi could never cheat me. He loves me so much. And you always proved me right. You never ever looked at others. I'm so lucky and proud to have a husband like you, Yoongi. You are the best son, best husband, and best dada. Cookie, Mama! Give him another photo frame. Jimin looked at Cookie. Oh, you already brought next photo frame? Good. Took the photo frame and hung on the other wall. Here it looks good. Cookie looked at the photo frame. Dada, cute baby. Jimin looked at Cookie. That cute baby is Cookie. Cookie, no baby, Cookie big boy, said proudly. Jimin smiled and gently pinched his nose. But this big boy was once a tiny little baby. Now, big boy, help mama to arrange the things fast. We have to complete the rearrangement before your dada comes. Cookie, yes, Cookie, help mama fast. Cookie, mama, go market. With that, they both quickly finished the rearrangement and went to market to buy some grocery item to prepare special dishes for Yoongi's welcome. After 3 months of secret mission, he was finally returning tonight. Jimin and Cookie were walking on the road. Cookie was cutely dressed up in penguin onesie, which was gifted by Yoongi's mom for Cookie's birthday. She often met them on occasion and parties but still hadn't accepted Jimin, but always sent gifts and clothes for him along with others. Jimin, Cookie, don't run, Ash, this boy. He never walked properly. After all, he's my son. How can he walk when I couldn't walk? You little penguin! Wait, none of penguin runs this fast. Cookie fell on the road. Ah! Jimin. Oh, my jeans worked so hard. He also got the floor's love. Ran to Cookie and picked him in his arms. It's okay, don't cry. Penguins are so strong, they won't cry. See, Mama kicked the road. Cookie, bad road. Cookie, no walkie, bad road. Mama, no walkie, bad road. Jimin, that's a very good punishment for this bad road. Now, let's go to the convenience store. We have to prepare food for that too. Cookie, oh yeah, Cookie, no time. Cookie so busy. Let's go, Mama. With that, they both happily came in the convenience store and picked all the things. Jimin was waiting in the queue for billing. Cookie was roaming in the store. Soon he brought the family mug set and put it in Jimin's cart. It was pack of 6 family mug set, 4 adults coffee mug, 1 baby mug for milk and 1 milk bottle. Jimin saw it and asked to Cookie. Jimin, Cookie, baby, what's this? Why did you bring coffee mug set? We already have so many coffee mug set at home. We don't want it. Cookie, no, Cookie want. Jimin, what will you do to them? Cookie pointed his baby finger on each mug. Muni, Grandma, Appuchi, Grandpa, Dada, Mama, Cookie, baby. Jimin, oh, Cookie wants a new baby. Cookie want baby. Cookie big boy. Jimin, let your dada comes today. We will think about new baby, okay? Cookie, happily, Utti. They returned home, prepared food, and did all the arrangements for Yoongi's welcome. They hung the basket filled with rose petals above the door. Cookie ran to Jimin and informed him that Yoongi's car arrived. They both quickly hid. Yoongi pressed the doorbell, but when Jimin didn't open the door, he touched the door to bang, but it opened. He entered inside the living room, but as soon as he pushed the door, rose petals started showering over him. Jimin and Cookie jumped and screamed. Jimin, welcome home. Cookie happily jumped. Tata, come home, sweet home. They both were so happy to see Yoongi after 3 months. Dad, they forget to notice that Yoongi wasn't alone. A small baby was in his arm, who was happily giggling by holding rose petal. He was enjoying so much. Jimin happily hugged Yoongi. Jimin hugged Yoongi. I missed you so much. Yoongi patted Jimin's hand. Jimin, baby leaned on Jimin. Cookie saw baby happily touched his toe. Tata! Cookie gift baby! Yay! Cookie happily expressed his happiness. He was so happy to see baby. Baby also showed his beautiful boxy smile to Cookie and started clapping. Jimin heard Cookie and broke the hug. Jimin looked at baby. Baby? Baby leaned to Jimin. Oh, he's so cute. Touched his tiny baby fingers. Look at his tiny fingers. Yoongi, whose baby is this? Yoongi, Jimin, I will tell you everything soon. Jimin, okay, but you brought him here. Won't his parents be worried for him? Yoongi, he doesn't have anyone who would be worried for him. They abandoned him. Jimin, what? Oh, who abandoned this cute little baby? Took baby in his arms. Don't worry, baby. Here you are safe. It's also your home. What's his name, Yoongi? Yoongi, Taeyang. Jimin, this tiny baby is this much long name. Not fair. We will call him Titi. Okay? Titi. Baby looked at Jimin. Yoongi, I guess he loved his new name so much. What do you think? Yoongi, Cookie shook his feet. Mama, Cookie, meet baby too. Jimin looked at Cookie. Yeah, why not? Titi should meet Cookie. Carefully picked Tea in his arms and placed on the carpet. Cookie, Titi, Cookish Cookie, pulled Tea's hand. Jimin held Cookie's hand. No, Cookie, Titi is very small. You may hurt him. Touch him gently, otherwise he will cry. Cookie, Utti Mama, Cookie no hat Titi. Gently shook Tea's hand. Titi, come Cookie, home, sweet home. Jimin, Yoongi, you know Cookie was asking for baby since the afternoon and you brought Titi. Cookie went to Yoongi. Dada, thank you, Cookie, give baby. Yoongi picked him in his arms. Cookie likes baby. Will Cookie take care of baby? Cookie placed his head on Yoongi's chest. Yes, Dada, Cookie take care. Titi, Cookie big boy. Cookie miss Dada so much. Yoongi, Dada missed Cookie too. Jimin looked at the door frame. Yoongi, where is your bag? Yoongi, I left it out at airport. Actually, there was so crowd. Titi was scared to see this much crowd. In the morning, my men will bring it. Don't worry. Jimin, oh, you must be tired. Go and change. I'm serving dinner. We prepared your favorite dishes. Cookie, help Mama. Tasty food. Yoongi, really? Wow, my baby became so big. Dada will eat more food today. Looked at the wall, which was filled with their photo frames. What's this, Jimin? You filled the whole wall with our photo frames. Mom and Dad are here too. Jimin, They never came here, so I thought to at least add their photo frame. Their presence are very important for our family. Yungi, that's so thoughtful. We are trying. I'm sure one day mom and dad will definitely accept you. Don't be sad. I'm coming after changing the clothes. Time skipped after some times. Jimin came to room and saw Jungi was laying on the bed. Cookie was laying on his chest and T was sleeping on bed. Jimin, what's happening in between Dad and Cookie? Cookie, Cookie, Dada, talkie, Dada, she, Cookie, fighting, story, Dada, so brave, Cookie, big brave, Dada. Jimin, I already saw your bravery. Looked at Yungi. Yungi, you know this boy always running and jumping. He didn't listen to me. Scold him. Cookie, why Dada scold the poor Cookie? Mama run too. Jimin, see Yungi, how he started talking back. Cookie, no talkie back. Cookie, answer Mama. Yungi, that's enough for today. Jimin, leave it. And you, Cookie, don't run and jump. You will get hurt. When you will be big enough, Dada will personally train you. Cookie, really, Dada? Yungi, really? Now let's sleep. It's very late. Dada is so sleepy. Cookie, okay. Good night, Dada. Good night, Mama. Good night, Titi. Hugged Yungi tightly and closed his eyes. Yungi always talked back with Jimin, but never with Yungi. He always listened him. Yungi was patting Cookie's back and he fell asleep. Jimin slowly pulled tea on himself, making space for Cookie. Yungi carefully placed Cookie beside him on the bed, still patting him. Jimin laid on his side of bed beside T. He carefully pulled the blanket over themselves. He turned his face on Yungi, digging his fingers on Yungi's hair, massaging his head. Slowly, Yungi also turned to him. Jimin looked at Yungi. Are you alright? Yungi, what will happen to me? Jimin, you are looking sad, like you are in guilt. Is anything happened? If you have anything to share, you can share with me. Yungi looked at Jimin. How can you say this? Jimin, I know you. Yungi, your eyes are more loyal and honest than your words. I can clearly see your hesitation. Yungi, Jimin, I have something to tell you. Jimin, say, I'm here to listen. Yungi, do you trust me? Jimin, more than myself. Yungi, do you love me? Jimin, no one would have ever loved anyone as much as I loved you. I can do anything for you. Yungi, I know that. Jimin, but remember Yungi, if you dare to break my trust or dare to tint my love, I won't bear it. No doubt I love you, but not blindly at all. My trust and you will break together. Looked at Yungi's eyes. What happened? You want to share something? Tell me. Yungi, nothing. I just want to say that no matter what happened, but always remember I only love you and no one can take your place. Have faith in me. I can do anything but never break your trust. Jimin smiled. I know that the day you break my trust, you will lose me forever. Jungi, I will never let that day come. Jimin, anyways, we need to go shopping to get TT's clothes and other stuffs. Jungi looked at T. We will go tomorrow. Jimin turned off lights. Jungi lovingly traced Jimin's smiling face and petted his head. Soon he fell asleep. Jungi was looking at his family, not knowing they were sleeping like this for the last time. Tomorrow's sunrise would bring this storm in their life, and that their everything would be tested hard. Time skipped at next day. Shingi was in the living room with Tea Cook. Cookie was showing TT his toys and TT was desperately wanted to eat it. Jimin was in their room unpacking Chungi's bag which his man dropped few minutes ago. He was taking out clothes for laundry. He found some files. He put all the files on the bed and emptied the bag. He was taking all the clothes for laundry, but files fell and some papers came out. Nothing was hidden from Jimin. He knew about Yungi's all the deals. He placed the laundry bag on the floor and bent to pick the files and papers. In between the formal legal document paper, he found the medical file and some other legal documents. He checked that. Jimin, medical documents? Oh, so it's TT's birth certificate and other documents. Poor baby. His parents abandoned him. Let me see. Who are those cruel people? Name Kim Taeyang. Date of birth 30th December 2024. Time 6:13 p.m. Sex male. Place of birth ABC Hospital USA. Birth registration number 30/12/1995. Mother's name Kim Yura. Father's name Mr. Min Yun. Kim Yura, isn't she Yoongi's ex-secretary who loved Yoongi and wanted to get him by anyhow? Mr. Min Yun, isn't Yoongi's short name Yun? That means Titi is Yoongi's son? Fell on the floor while tearing up. No, Yoongi can't cheat me. I have to talk with him. Jimin came to living room and found Yoongi was talking on call. Tea Cook were playing on the carpeted floor. He went to Yoongi and turned him to himself by his arm. Anger, heartbreak, questions were clearly visible in Jimin's eyes. After seeing tears in Jimin's eyes, he immediately cut the call. Yoongi cut the call. Jimin, what happened? Why are you crying? He stretched his hand to wipe Jimin's tears, but he backed away. Jimin showed him T's birth certificate. Is T your son? Yoongi looked at the birth certificate, then Jimin, come and sit. I will explain you. Touched his hand. Jimin yanked his hand. Don't you dare to touch me. I only want to listen the truth, nothing else. Min Yoongi, is Taeyang your son or not? Jimin shouted with teary eyes. He was shaking from anger. His voice was trembling, eyes were fuming in anger. Hearing Jimin shout, T started crying loudly. Cookie also got scared. He hugged TT tightly. First time Yoongi saw Jimin's this side. Jimin grabbed Yoongi's collar. I want an answer, Min Yoongi. Your silence is the proof that you are T's father. Tell me, god damn it, spit the truth. Yoongi, Jimin. Jimin, no, Jimin. Is Min Jun Taeyang's father? Yes or not? Yoongi slowly nodded his head. Jimin trembled and left Yoongi's collar. Jimin tried to hold him. Jimin pushed him with his full strength. Don't you dare to touch me! You cheater! How dare you to cheat me, Yoongi? Where was I lacking that you had to go to another woman? Wasn't I enough for you before committing such a despicable act? Didn't you even once consider that we have a son? What will happen to him? Why, Yoongi? Why? Why did you break my trust? For you, I leave my everything and you left me for another woman? What did you get to do this with me? I was so proud that my husband is only mine. He doesn't even think about any other person. Forget thinking. You even shared the bed with another woman. I had no idea you would be so shameless that you brought the marks of your infidelity to my scared home. I don't want to see your face. Pushed him with his whole strength and left while crying hard. Yoongi ran behind him. Jimin, please listen to me. Left. Cookie started crying too. First time he saw his parents shouting and fighting, he got so scared he picked the cordless landline phone and pressed 5, which was speed dial number of Mrs. Min. Yoongi saved everyone's number in cordless phones speed dial and trained Cookie to call the people for any type of emergency. He called his grandma, Halmani. Mrs. Min, hello, Cookie? Cookie, while sobbing hard, Munni, Mama. Mrs. Min, Cookie, what happened, baby? Why are you crying? And what's this noise? Heard Junmin's voice. Cookie, Munni, Mama, Dada, fighting, Mama, cry. Mrs. Min, Jimin is crying, but why? Her tea is crying. Why is child crying? Why is coming? Cookie, Dada, come, baby, Cookie, gift. Jimin shouted, how did you think I will accept your illegitimate child? You already have a son, Yoongi. Mrs. Min heard him. Illegitimate child? Cookie, Muni, Cookie scared. Mrs. Min, don't be scared. Me and your Halaboji, grandpa, are coming. There is no time. Don't be scared, okay? Cookie, Odi, come fast. Cut the call. Jimin was shouting and crying. Yoongi was trying to talk with Jimin, but he wasn't ready to listen anything. Soon Mr. and Mrs. Min came there. They found Cookie and TT were crying. First time Mr. and Mrs. Min came there. Cookie saw them and quickly hugged Mr. Min's leg tightly. Titi crawled behind Cookie while crying. Cookie hugged Mr. Min's leg tightly. Abbuji! Mr. Min kneeled down and hugged Cookie tightly. Cookie, I'm here. Don't cry, son. Mrs. Min was so mad, she directly went to Yunmin's room and threw Jimin and Cookie's clothes in the bag and followed the voice. She reached at Yunmin and saw Jimin was confronting Yoongi. She grabbed Jimin's hand. Jimin, shocked to see Mrs. Min. Mom! Mrs. Min, I don't want to listen anything, started dragging him. Yoongi followed them. Mom, listen! Where are you taking Jimin? Mom! Came to living room. Jimin. Mom! Tried to free his hand. Mrs. Min. What, Mom? Shh! I don't want to listen anything. Yoongi grabbed Mrs. Min's hand. Mom, please listen. Mrs. Min harshly yanked his hand. What do you want me to listen, Yoongi? Left Jimin's hand. Is he saying the truth? Pointed her finger on T. Are you really his father? Yoongi stayed silent. I'm asking something, Yoongi. Yoongi slowly nodded his head. He is my son, and from now on, he will stay with us. Mrs. Min slapped him. Yoongi, do you even know what you are saying? I don't like Jimin. I was against your marriage. I still don't accept your marriage, but it doesn't mean you get the license to cheat him. No matter what happened, you aren't allowed to have mistress. You are this much shameless that you brought your illegitimate child here and you are forcing him to accept your sin. No, Yoongi, until I and your dad are alive, we won't let you do this. Mr. Min went to Yoongi. Your mom is right, Yoongi. For this boy, you fought from us. You fought from whole world. Now you cheated this boy who left his whole world for you. You thought he doesn't have any place to go, doesn't have any person to support, so you can easily cheat him. And poor he accepts your infidelity. No, Yoongi, this won't happen. Mafias do have mistress, but you won't have. This doesn't happen in our family. We don't accept this. Set this in your mind. Mrs. Min, where did you learn all this from? Have you ever seen your dad? He was also mafia, but he never cheated me. He never thought to have any mistress. I'm so happy and proud that my husband isn't cheap and cheater like my son. You have fallen very low, Yoongi. You were our proud, but today you have lowered our grace and shame. Where did you get this much courage, Yoongi? You didn't hurt this much when you first time went against us for marrying him. That much you hurt today by your act. Grabbed Jimin's arm and showed to Yoongi. Before cheating, you didn't remember his face. You didn't remember your son's face. You didn't remember two innocent souls were waiting and praying for you when you were on your so-called mission. Well, why I am saying this to you, if you have any shame, you would never brought your illegitimate child here. You did what you want. Now be ready to bear the consequence. I won't leave you. Started dragging Jimin and Cookie. Yoongi went behind them. Mom, where are you taking Jimin and Cookie? I love them. I can't live without them. Mr. Min, you should have thought of this earlier. Mistake happens unknowingly. Cheating is always an option. Pick the bag. Cookie. Dada, Dada, Dada. Cookie, no, go! Yoongi, Cookie, Jimin! Ran behind but fell. T crawled to Yoongi while crying, Da 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 da. Mr. and Mrs. Mint took Jimin and Cookie with themselves. Yoongi was trying to stop them, but they didn't listen to him. He was crying from long time. Yoongi picked him in his arms and hugged him tightly. Illegitimate child. When a child is born from a couple who isn't legally married to each other, that child is called illegitimate child. Mistress. If a woman is in a relationship with unmarried men, she is called as girlfriend. But if she is in a relationship with married men, she is called as mistress. Mr. and Mrs. Min brought Jimin and Cookie to their mansion. First time both Jimin and Cookie came there. Mrs. Min never allowed Jimin to come here, but after her son's betrayal, she herself brought them here. She gave him Chunki's room. She herself prepared food for everyone. Everyone had their meal. Mr. Min fed Cookie his meal and put him in sleep. Jimin denied to eat. He still couldn't believe that Yungi couldn't cheat him, who loved him so much. Mrs. Min had enough. She dragged Jimin in dining room and showed the food in his mouth. Mrs. Min, I had enough of your drama. Now eat the food. For your crying, nothing will change. There he cheat you with other women, and here you are crying and wasting your tears for that ungrateful and unfaithful brat. Stop your drama, be a man. Think about Cookie. Cookie is crying to see you crying. And why are you crying? You didn't do anything wrong. He should cry on his shameful deeds. Don't waste your tears. You should make them your weapon and use against him. Just look at me. I'm so strong. You should also become like me, strong. Why do you want to punish yourself by striving? Jimin swallowed the food and looked at Mrs. Min. Why did he do this? What lag was in me? Mrs. Min, you don't have any lack. Lack is in that weak person who dare to cheat his husband. Stop hurting yourself for his sin. Mr. Min placed his hand on Jimin's shoulder. We aren't that type of parents who cover their son's mistake. Yoongi did wrong. That's why we brought you here. You aren't alone. We are here with you. Have your food without questioning yourself. Jimin get overwhelmed and hugged Mrs. Min tightly. Thank you, Mom. Mrs. Min, you leave me, you clumsy man. I only told you to eat your food, not to clinch me. I'm so done with you. Leave me. I have to take my medicines. Jimin broke the hug and smiled a little. Mr. and Mrs. Min fed him his food. Mrs. Min was the boss of the house. She ruled in the mansion. Yoongi was their only son, and they loved him a lot, but never supported him in his wrong deeds. Mrs. Min was a heart patient. 2 years ago, she had a major operation. Time skipped after a week. A week passed. Mr. Min sealed Yunmin's house. Yoongi had no place to live. He shifted in Min mansion for few days with tea. Mr. Min gave him few days time to do his arrangement somewhere else. Although there was many rooms in Min mansion, but they didn't allow him to use any room. He slept in living room and prepared his own food. He tried to talk with Jimin, but Jimin didn't show any interest. T used to crawl to Jimin and Jimin fed him food. Cookie played with TT but didn't talk with Yoongi. For him, Yoongi hurt his mama and made him cry, so he didn't want to talk with him. He was completely avoided him, which hurted Yoongi deeply. Nobody was talking with him, everyone was behaving with him like he was invisible. Jimin saw Yoongi's struggle while cooking for himself and taking care for TT. Yoongi didn't know cooking. He never felt any need to learn. He was born in millionaire family. So many maids always be there to serve him. Jimin saw how Yoongi burnt and cut his finger in attempt to cook for his survival. Jimin was feeling bad to see the condition of his beloved son of the house. He wanted to help Yoongi, but his self-respect stopped him. Yoongi tried to reach Jimin, but he didn't get successful. Yoongi's condition didn't get unnoticed by Mr. and Mrs. Min, but they were firm on their decision. They came to Yoongi's office and threw the papers on the table. Yoongi was on call. When he saw Mr. and Mrs. Min, he stood up and cut the call. Yoongi, Mom, Dad. Mrs. Min, don't call me mom. I'm not your mom. A man who cheats his husband can't be my son. I used to think that Jimin isn't worthy of you, but I didn't know that my own son himself isn't worthy of being called a husband and father. Anyways, you have done whatever you want to do. You already proved us and our upbringing wrong. Now there is nothing left to say and listen. I don't want to waste my more time on you. Just sign on these papers. Yoongi looked at the papers. The divorce. Whole world shattered. Mr. Min. Yes, divorce papers. Sign on Cookie's custody papers too. We don't want Cookie to even be affected by your misdeeds. We don't want Cookie to learn infidelity from you and then cheat on his wife, just like his cheater dada. Yoongi, Jimin wants divorce? Mr. Min, we want divorce. Just sign and free him and Cookie from his unwanted relationship where there is no trust. Now you are free to enjoy your life with your illegitimate child. Don't you dare to show us your face. You can go to your mistress or call her here. We don't care. Yoongi, I want to meet Jimin for the one last time. Mrs. Min, why? Wasn't infidelity enough for him? Or you want to manipulate him by saying it was just a mistake? You weren't in your right senses. He is emotional, but I won't let you to use his emotion for your benefit. I still didn't like him, but as a married woman, I will never forgive infidelity. Either it was done intentionally or unintentionally. Mr. Min, gave Yoongi pen. Sign it fast. We want to complete the formalities as soon as possible. Yoongi picked the pen with trembled hands. He was about to sign the papers, but his whole world was showing on the papers. His cute fighting with Jimin, their romance, their efforts to make a house to their small world, Cookie's arrival in their lives, their laughter, their silly dance, their endless support to each other in hard time, Cookie's first step, his first word, everything was flashing like a movie. Just one sign and his everything would be shattered. He would remain alone. His tears dropped on the papers. He didn't want to sign on divorce papers. He didn't want to lose his world. He closed his eyes, took a deep breath, and signed on all the documents. Mrs. Min took the documents. Congratulations, now you are free. Very soon you will be officially free. Looked at Mr. Min and locked her hand with his. I'm really blessed to have a loyal partner. Not everyone is this lucky. You always remembered your limits. You never forget that you are married and have a son. Left. Yoongi looked at his parents. You can't bear the truth, Mom. Your pride, your ego, your trust, and you. Everything will be end. If I tell you the truth, it's better if I lose my everything rather than losing you. You hate me now, but at least you are alive. I always want you to accept Jimin. Today you are fighting for him, but I lost my everything. Tears rolled down through his cheeks. Mrs. Min gave Jimin divorce papers and told him to sign so that they could start the legal procedure. Everyone was sleeping. Cookie was sleeping on Jimin's bed. Jimin was sitting on the floor holding the divorce papers. He couldn't believe Yoongi signed on the papers. He was lost in his thinking. Yoongi hadn't returned from his office yet. He remembered his past when they used to find happiness during hard time. Yoongi, what happened to you? First time I saw you this silent. Jimin, I'm sorry, Yoongi. Because of me, your parents threw you out too. Yoongi, you also left your parents for me. Jimin, my things are different, Yoongi. Yoongi grabbed Jimin's hand. It's all right, Jimin. We knew our decision of marriage would bring this storm. Jimin placed his head on Yoongi's shoulder. But still it feels so bad. Yoongi, but it's not that bad. They gave us this small house to live. By the way, aren't you mad that your mafia husband couldn't even buy you a decent home? Jimin, no, I'm so happy that my mafia husband is with me. We love each other and married. This house isn't bad. We will make it home together until you are with me. I don't have any problem. Yoongi placed his head on Jimin's head. And I will always be with you. No matter what happens, we will face all the difficulties together. Jimin, I promise I will never leave your side. Now let's make this dusty house our home. Jimin, while running, I was getting bored and you were sleeping peacefully. I only sprinkled few drops of water. Yoongi, while chasing him, few drops of water, Run as fast as you can, baby. I will throw you in cold water bathtub. Jimin, are you serious? Outside is snow falling. I will get cold. Yoongi, you should have think about the consequence before messing with me. Now you are gone. Threw Jimin on his shoulder and threw him in cold water bathtub. Jimin, you mini cat. Yoongi, you have to do lots of hard work to defeat Jimin. Jimin, I will show you my power. You have to take us out today. Jungi, only if you defeat me in arm wrestling. Jinmin were arm wrestling and Cookie was sitting in front of them. He was the referee. He was looking at their locked hands very carefully with his big two eyes. When he saw Jimin was going to lose, he also joined with Jimin to help him. He put his whole weight on Jimin's hand, and Yoongi purposely lost. Jimin and Cookie became very happy. They started teasing Yoongi. Cookie couldn't walk and talk, he could crawl. Yoongi, it's wrong. You cheated. Cookie supported you. Jimin, everything is fair in love and war. Now get ready. You will take us out for dinner and shopping. Yoongi looked at Cookie. You betrayed me. Now you are gone. Cookie happily crawled as fast as he could and Yoongi was chasing him. Tears started rolling down through his cheeks by remembering their past happy memories. He was closing his eyes. Jimin, I have never imagined in my wildest dream that we would ever parted away like this. Our happy family got someone's evil eye. Why did it happen to us? Why? He was crying while holding the divorce papers to his chest. Two little pair of hands raised on his cheeks and wiped his tears. He opened his eyes and found T was standing by holding his arms and wiping his tears. Jimin looked at T. You are the reason of my tears, my heartbreak. I don't want to see your face. I want to throw you out. But here you are wiping my tears. We are parted away because of you. Are you listening me? T crawled back. Where are you going now? Don't come here again. T quickly crawled back with his milk bottle and showed in Jimin's mouth and patted his head. He couldn't speak or understand anything but is still trying to console Jimin. He knew whenever he cried after getting milk and petting, he stopped crying. Jimin was angrily looking at T, but T flashed his boxy smile, and Jimin couldn't hold himself anymore and pulled him in tight hug. Cookie woke up and found Jimin was sitting on the floor and crying while hugging Titi. He joined in her too. Cookie, Mama, no cry, cry. Mama cry, cry. Cookie cry, cry too. Dada bad, Dada, Mama cry, cry. Cookie no talkie, talkie, Dada. Mama, 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 no cry, cry. Jimin didn't say anything and pulled him in her too. He was mentally so weak and tired. He didn't have the answer of his internal questions. Yoongi was standing outside of Jimin's room and peeking him through door frame with tearful eyes. He purposely sent T to console Jimin because he couldn't go to him. One truth and 6 lives. The pain was same on both sides, but the truth couldn't be shared. Otherwise, the storm would come and shattered everything. Time skipped at next day. Yoongi was busy in the meeting with his men in the conference room. Jimin opened the door and entered inside. He was holding some papers. Jimin, out. This meeting is cancelled. We will inform you about the next schedule. Men, but we are busy in important meeting. Jimin slammed his hand on the table. Once I said out, then out. I won't repeat myself. Soon everyone left and Jimin closed the door. He came to Yoongi, who was sitting on his chair and looking at him. Jimin, so you are teased at? Yoongi, Jimin slammed the paper on the table. Stop lying, Yoongi. I sent your and T's sample to lab to know the truth. According to DNA report, you aren't T's dad. Your paternity test declined this. How much you will lie, Yoongi? And why are you lying? Can't you see because of your lying, your whole family is suffering? We are going to part away. Your son, whom you love the most, start hating you, thinking you are the one who hurt his mama. Your parents who used to proud on you, now blaming you. They are ashamed to be your parents. Just think about your mom, Yoongi. She's heart patient. Your this like can take her life. Why are you doing this? When you are an innocent, then why did you prove yourself as an unfaithful man? Why, Yoongi? Why? Stop playing, Yoongi. Tell me the truth. I'm dying. I know you are dying too. You also don't want divorce. Answer, Yoongi. Yoongi, I signed on papers by my free will. Jimin, your free will? Showed him divorce papers. Then why is here tear stains? As far as I know, you never cried. Then why did you cry while signing on the divorce papers? Stop lying, Yoongi. Please tell me the truth. Mom and dad are calling you unfaithful. I can't listen this. I know my husband is very loyal and can't cheat me. Why are you portraying yourself as a cheater when you aren't? What are you hiding? Tell me the truth. We promised to face everything together. By hiding your pain, you are disrespecting our love. I didn't marry you for this. Yoongi yanked Jimin's hand and stood up. What do I say, Jimin? Mom, Dad, Cookie, you all are hating me, but is still alive. If I tell you the truth, then Mom will die. What do you want me to know? Yes, T isn't my son. I didn't cheat you. I'm not unfaithful. Except you, I can't even think about anyone else. T is Dad's son, not mine. T's father's name is Min Junshuk, not Min Yoongi. His mom, Kim Yura, wasn't my ex-secretary. She was a bar dancer. If I had told the truth, Mom would have died. She's so proud of her husband and her royalty. She couldn't bear betrayal. For her, dad is everything. How can I take her life who gave me birth? No, I can't be this selfish. She will blame me. That's fine. I can bear her hatred but can't bear her absence. She is a heart patient. She couldn't bear it, Jimin. Jimin got shocked. The dad? No, this can't be possible. Dad can't cheat Mom. He loves Mom so much. No, this can't be the truth. He became mad hearing about your infidelity. He cut his alliances off from you. Yoongi, it's the truth. Dad also didn't know this. You remember 2 years ago when Cookie was few weeks old and Mom had a major heart surgery? Jimin, yeah, Dad was so tensed because of the complicity of the surgery. Yoongi, we were in abroad. Dad was completely shattered after hearing about Mom's condition. He went to nightclub. He drowned himself in alcohol. He was drinking with a man who was same as his age. He was billionaire. His relatives sent money to Yura to take him with her. She was paid good amount for a night. There was very dark. That man left early. Yura took Dad with herself. She used some kind of medicine. By Dad, Dad didn't remember anything. What happened to him in the morning when I was searching him? Bar manager called me. He didn't tell me anything. He only said Dad passed out because of consuming excessive amount of alcohol. When I was taking him, there was an old lady told me everything. I was so mad but didn't tell Dad anything. I went again that city for my mission. There I found that old lady. She was holding tea and tried to pacify him. She recognized me and told me about tea. Yura gave tea to manager to throw him, but she kept tea to himself. I couldn't leave tea there. I didn't know how long that old lady would keep tea, so I completed all the formalities and brought him at home. Jimin, why didn't you tell this to me before? Yungi, I wanted to tell you. Remember, at night I said I want to share something with you. Jimin remembered. I remembered. Then why didn't you tell me? Yungi, you wasn't in right mood. This matter was very sensitive. I wanted to talk calmly. Next day, before I tell you anything, you already found T's birth certificate and assumed me as T's dad. Jimin, I didn't assume anything. I asked to you, why did you accept that you are T's dad? Yungi, first time when you asked, I told you to listen, but you were so mad. You asked about Min Yun. So yes, Min Yun is T's dad. Before I could clear your misunderstanding, mom and dad came there. In front of them, I couldn't tell the truth. Jimin, you should tell me after that. Yungi, I tried to reach you, but you were devastated. I'm not blaming you. You should be, but mom and dad didn't let me talk to you. In fact, I requested them to talk with you for the last time before signing the divorce papers. But mom thought I would manipulate you, so she declined. Jimin held his own hair. There's much big confusion. I should have listened to you. If I had listened to you, then nothing would have happened like this. Yungi pulled him in tight hug. No, it's not your fault. Anyone could have believed like this. After all, we can share everything except our partner. Jimin, but still, I should at least listen your explanation. Yungi, you asked, but in mom and dad's presence, I couldn't tell you anything. I'm sorry. Jimin hit on his chest. You even signed on divorce paper. If I hadn't done DNA test, you would have given me divorce. Yungi, you are my life, Jimin. For you, I fought for entire world. How can you even think I would give you divorce? Jimin, if I would sign on divorce papers, our divorce would be final. Yungi, who said you this? Even after this divorce was mutual, but still, court will give us 3 months cooling off period to save our marriage, as we have minor kid. Right now everyone is so angry and emotional, but in between this cooling off period I will find any ways to talk with you and clear the misunderstanding. I didn't want to increase mom's anger, that's why I signed. Note: in South Korea, cooling off period for mutual consent divorce with no children or adult children is 1 month, and with minor children is 3 months. Every country and religion has their own divorce procedure and cooling off period. Jimin, you aren't as dumb as I thought. Yungi, if I can't afford to lose mom, then I can't afford to lose Cookie and you too. You two are very important part of my life. I just need some time to think about solution. Jimin, you know how much I missed you and cried. Yungi, my condition was worse than yours. In all this mess, one good thing happened. Jimin, what? Yungi, mom and dad accepted you. They fought for you even without your consent. They'll love you. Jimin, that's true. I knew it. Mom is strict but care me. By the way, what do you think about this matter? How would we tell this to mom and dad? Yungi, we have to think some excuse. We can't tell them the truth. Jimin, whatever had happened wasn't dad's fault. We couldn't let them feel guilty. He also shouldn't know this. Yungi, pressed Jimin's chubby cheeks and pecked on his lips. Time skipped at home. Jimin returned home alone. He found Mr. and Mrs. Min were walking back and forth. They were looking so mad. Cookie was also looking mad, but Titi was sitting on the floor and laughing hard in his bare onesie. Mrs. Min looked at T. Will you stop laughing? Here we are mad and tensed, and you are laughing like an idiot. T looked at Mrs. Min's angry face and rolled down while laughing. Ee. Cookie, Munni, Titi mad. Titi laughing, only laughing. Titi no shit. Titi fell again and again. Mrs. Min, do we look like a clown to you? That you are laughing at us? T laughed more. Mr. Min looked at Jimin. Jimin, where were you? Do you know we were so tensed for you? Why aren't you saying anything? Mrs. Min, don't tell me you went to meet that unfaithful man. Jimin, I went to hospital. Mr. Min, why? Mrs. Min, I told you to not pay attention at that unfaithful man and focus on yourself, but you're still ready to die for him. See, now you made yourself sick. Jim placed the file on her hand. Mr. Min, what's this, Jimin? Jimin, DNA report. I sent Jungi and T's sample to lab to confirm their relationship. It says Jungi isn't T's dad. Note, it was paternity test, so it showed Jungi isn't T's dad. If it was any other DNA test, then T and Jungi's half-sibling truth came out. Mrs. Min, what? Checked the report and read the conclusion. Min Jungi isn't the father of Kim Taeyang. Jimin, we misunderstood Jungi. He must be hiding something. Mr. Min, but why did he lie to us? Jimin shrugged his shoulders. Don't know, Dad. I also want to know the truth. Why he played with her emotions. Mr. and Mrs. Min were shocked. They were thinking about the reason behind Jungi's lie. Jungi came there and acted like he didn't know anything. He was innocently going to washroom with his sad poker face. Mr. Min saw Jungi and stopped him. Mr. Min, Jungi, come here. Jungi went to him. Yes, Dad. Mr. Min showed him DNA papers. You aren't T's dad, then why did you lie to us? Jungi, it's fake report, mom. I'm T's dad. Mrs. Min, stop your drama. We know you are lying. Now tell us, whom are you saving? Jungi, no one, mom. Why would I save anyone? Mrs. Min, will you tell the truth or should I bring my sleepers? Cookie, Titi, where go? Wait. But before Jungi could say anything, Titi crawled towards the shoe rack and he stood up with shoe rack's support and picked Mrs. Min's high heels and crawled back with it. He gave the high heels to Mrs. Min. Mrs. Min, why did you bring my heels? I'm not taking you outside. Yesterday I took you outside, so now you want me to take you outside daily? Sit here quietly. T crawled to Jungi and threw his tiny fist on Jungi's leg while looking at Mrs. Min. Cookie, Munni, Titi she beat Tata. Munni heel. Jungi looked at T with widened eyes. Really? I only heard that siblings enjoy when their parents beat their sibling, but I didn't know this tiny bear started showing this true color from this age, said in mind. Mrs. Min, you did good, Titi. I will feed you extra strawberries today. When do Jungi? Will you tell us the truth or not? Mr. Min, Titi, go and brought my belt. T started crawling. Jungi, no, wait, I'm telling. Titi isn't my son, he's my right hand man son's. Mr. Min, Minzy. Jungi, you remembered 2 years ago during secret mission he went missing and we found him in unconscious state? Mr. Min, yeah, I remembered. Our rival tortured him and drugged him so that he couldn't remember anything. Jungi, so maybe they him to get our information. One old lady saved T when I was in the mission. She met me and told me everything. Mrs. Min, why didn't you tell this to us? Jungi, how could I tell you, mom? If dad tells this to him, then Minzy would feel guilty to cheat his wife. He recently became dad. It wasn't his fault. He didn't even remember anything. Mr. Min, oh, so for Minzy you lied. Jungi, of course, dad, I couldn't leave this innocent soul to die, but now I think I should have left him. He gave you heels to beat me. Mrs. Min slapped him. Jungi. Jungi, now why did you slap me? T started clapping. Mrs. Min, you're so stupid. You should have told us the truth. Jungi, you didn't let me speak. Mr. Min, because of you, Jimin hurt the most. Apologize him. Jungi, I'm sorry, Jimin. Jimin, I will see you at room. Jungi, okay. Looked at Cookie and went on his knees. Cookie, will you forgive your dada? Dada didn't hurt Mama. Cookie looked at Jimin. Mama. Jimin, Mama isn't hurt. Mama only misunderstood Dada. Cookie, Uti, hugged him tightly. Cookie, sorry, Dada. Jungi, no, Dada is sorry. Will Cookie forgive Dada? Cookie, if Moni, Apuchi, Mama, Dada, Titi, Cookie, drink new family mug. Jimin, oh, yeah, our new family mug set that we brought. Jungi, okay, done. Mrs. Min, I will prepare the dinner and your dad will help me. Mr. Min, as you wish, my highness. Mr. and Mrs. Min left. Yungi sat on the couch with Jimin. Cookie was on Yungi's lap and Titi was on Jimin's lap. They all happily had their dinner and drank coffee in their new family coffee set. Cookie was drinking his nana milk and Titi was drinking his strawberry milkshake. Some truths are better left unspoken because revealing them can only break what's already fragile. Cheating is an option, not a mistake, but loyalty isn't an option at all. It's the foundation of every relationship. True love is tested not in moments of joy but in the times of doubt and pain. Sometimes the people we think betrayed us are the ones silently protecting us from deeper heartbreak. Trust built on love can heal even the deepest wound of misunderstanding. Forgiveness doesn't erase the past, but it gives a chance to write a better future. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all liked it. It was a requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Actually, it was requested for Yoongi as Tee's dad and Jimin accepted him, but I don't want to show Yoongi as a cheater. It's against of my rules. So I twisted the storyline. Misunderstanding can be solved. Cheating isn't a mistake, it's a choice. Mistake can be forgiven but not choices. The way Mr. and Mrs. Min showed their support towards Jimin and went against of their beloved son showed that not all the parents are blind in their son's love and accept wrong things. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with a new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.